I'm practicing with my sister and I'm teaching her too.
Sneha. Hi, Sneha. How are you?
I'm doing very well. And how about you?
I'm doing good, Sneha. Thank you so much. All right, Sneha, is this our first session together? No, I can see we've also had a session before, long time back. Yeah,
Yes.
long time
Yeah.
back we had a session. Okay,
Yes.
all right. And also, Sneha, you've had a lot of sessions here, 90 sessions, more than 90 sessions you've had here, right? 90 is a very big number. How do you feel
Yeah.
about it, having so many sessions, attending so many sessions?
I
How do you
feel very I feel very good. I feel that wow, it is so good that I have attended so many sessions. Yeah, and I have seen also so many improvements.
like what?
Like I used to use filler words, so many filler words, but now I'm not using them that much.
Hmm.
And my
And
fluency too.
your fluency.
Yeah, and my grammars.
Okay, all improved. And what exactly are you doing for the improvement apart from these sessions?
I'm practicing with my sister and I'm teaching her too.
Hmm. With your
Sister, younger sister.
okay. So you practice with her and you also teach her.
Yes.
So you teach her English.
Yes.
Wow, that's so good. That's so good. Sneha, lovely to hear that. Okay. Okay, Sneha, so you went through the document, went through the session notes that we have for today.
Yes, I saw it.
Well, it's about the job interview, and you are too little to give a job interview right now. But okay, give me a brief introduction of yours, and it better be nice introduction, Sneha, because you've had around 90 sessions, and many tutors must have asked you this thing, right? Introduce yourself. So how would you do that?
My, my name is Sneha. I'm a student of 6th grade. I, I, I am and I am 11 years old. I'm from Chhattisgarh, Korba, and my hobbies are singing, playing keyboard, and painting and drawing.
Hmm. Okay, those are your hobbies. Oh, very nice. Good. Okay, so what do you want to be in future?
I'm not sure, but I think doctor
You think doctor? Why doctor?
because because I want to help people.
Huh? Why doctor and not a teacher? Because you teach your sister also and you're so good with that. Why not a teacher?
Yeah, now I'm having teacher in mind.
Okay. No, no. First, tell me why you thought that you want to be a doctor. What made
It
you
is
think?
because it is because I want to help people, or I don't know. I've
No,
heard I've heard my friends being doctor, so
hmm.
I think that's why.
But doctors they need to study very hard, Sneha, very hard also, and too much also. And you have to study for lifelong. For doctors that's very important. You can't just study till college or after that. No, you have to study after you become doctor also. Then also you
Yeah,
have to regularly study. So if you are very good with studies, then definitely go for doctor. And if you have uh, if you love to study, if you like to study, then opt for that profession. Okay. And what else? Why teacher? Now you suddenly shifted your profession to teacher. Why you opted that?
um, it is because teachers